Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Valerie here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Recently I decided that I was going to start highlighting some of the lovely comments that you guys leave for me. And so I have decided to put three comments at the beginning of each video. I value your comments, guys. So I was wondering, should I put it at the beginning? Should I put it at the end? And I opted to putting it at the beginning. But I would like you to tell me, what do you think? Should I put it at the end or should I keep it at the beginning? Looking forward to hearing from you guys. In the meantime, we are repurposing some thrifted placemats. And if you are a subscriber or a regular viewer, you will know that I like to use the placemats that I find in the stores to repurpose them to make various decorative items, right? So stick with me here, guys. Let's see what we come up with at the end. And please call again. Placemats are excellent for making pillow covers, and so that is why I like to pick them up when I see them in the thrift stores. Now, these were so cool because they had the fringe on all sides, and so I opted to stitch them together so that the fringe is on the outside, so it adds that detail to the pillow cover. Let me know what you think, guys, and please like, share, watch these videos that are on the screen. Thank you so much for your support.